Handa ang Japan International Cooperation Agency o JICA na maglagak ng dagdag na pondo para sa mga mahahalagang infrastruktura sa bansa. Si George Bandola sa detalye.
Sigurado si Public Works Secretary Rogelio Singson malapit nang matupad ang mga pangarap na infrastruktura ng bansa mula sa pagpapaunlad ng mga kalye, railway system at port system.
As far as the road network, kasi malaking components ito. You have the road network, the rail system, the ports, and the airports. As far as the road component, what remains to be implemented is the Laguna Lake Expressway dive. But other most of the roads are already in various stages of implementation.
Handa naman ang Japan International Cooperation Agency na maglagak pa ng dagdag na pondo para sa mga mahalagang infrastruktura.
With the strong leadership of the Philippine government, we believe the proposed project will be materialized. Therefore, we are in the position, the JICA's development partners, we're in the position to support the Philippine government based upon the request. The Philippine government.
Kontento naman si Andrew Harrison, pangunahing negosyanteng proponent ng bagong Cebu-Mactan International Passenger Terminal sa ilalim ng Public-Private Partnership Project.
From an investor standpoint, this is the best place that we could possibly want to be. The PPP journey has been a very excellent journey for us. We went through a PPP process that was transparent, very robust, very detailed. And as a result of that, today we are the custodians of a national economic asset. And that asset will be returned to the people of the Philippines, fully developed, fully commercialized after a 25-year period.
Bukod sa pagpapaunlad ng infrastructure, sabi ni Singson, nakatuon din sa disaster mitigation ang mga ginagawa ng DPWH.
Considering that PhilVox has been saying that to expect the big earthquake in NCR, so we have identified bridges that are critical, and that's why you see Ayala Bridge, some of the new bridges being upgraded. Dario Bridge, which is an old bridge on EDSA.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, George Bandola.